Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, using quadratic formula solve the following quadratic equation for x, and the given equation is abx to the power 2 plus b square minus ac into x minus bc is equal to 0. This is what is being given as the quadratic equation, and now we are going to solve this equation using quadratic formula. Guys, this particular question is also one of the most important question because this question already came in the CBSE board examination in the year 2005. So let us see what are the steps that we are following in order to find out the x values from this equation. Here it is given abx to the power 2, abx to the power 2 plus b square minus ac into x minus bc is equal to 0. This is what being given. And guys, let us first of all write the quadratic equation identity. The quadratic equation identity says that ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us compare this quadratic equation identity with the given equation so that we can derive the values for a, b and c. So if we compare, you can see this ab and you can see that b square minus ac and you can see this minus bc. So this ab is nothing but this a, and this b square minus ac is nothing but this b, and minus b is nothing but the constant value c. So I can write a is equal to ab, b is equal to b square minus ac, and c, the constant value, is equal to minus bc. So after extracting the value of a, b and c, let us note down the quadratic equation formula. So quadratic equation formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So guys, this is the quadratic equation formula. Now let us first of all find out the value for b square minus 4ac. Then we will put the value what we get or what we got for b square minus 4ac in this quadratic equation formula, and we will derive the two values for x. So let us find out the value for b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b square means here the value of b is b square minus ac. So simply I can write b square minus ac to the power 2 minus 4 into a. The value of a is ab. You can find out the value of a is ab into c. The value of c is minus bc. The value of c is minus bc, this one. Or b square minus 4ac is equal to this b square minus 4, this b square minus ac to the power 2. I can solve this one using the formula a minus b whole square. So b to the power 4 minus 2b square ac plus a square c square, then this one plus, because minus 4 into minus bc it becomes plus 4 ab square c. This is what we got, guys. Just I am solving this equation. I am not doing extra anything. Or I can write b square minus 4ac. Just I am going to rearrange this particular equation. I am going to just rearrange this particular equation as b square minus 4ac is equal to b to the power 4 minus 2ab square c. Just instead of 2b square ac, just I am writing 2ab square c plus a square c square, just keeping it as it is, and here again 4ab square c, simply I am writing 4ab square c. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to b to the power 4 minus 2ab square c plus 4ab square c becomes plus 2ab square c plus a square c square. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to, if you look here, this particular equation, this equation is of the form a plus b whole square, where the value of a is equal to b to the power 2 and the value of b is equal to ac. This is what we have. So I am going to put this equation b to the power 4 plus 2ab square c plus a square c square as b square plus ac to the power 2. This is what I can write. Hope guys till here we are very clear. Now we got the value for b square minus 4ac as b square plus ac to the power 2. Now let us put this value in our quadratic equation formula. So our quadratic equation formula, like x is equal to minus b. That means minus b value is b square minus ac plus or minus root over of b square plus ac whole square. B square plus ac whole square, that is what we got in the above step, upon 2a. 2a means 2 into ab. The value of a is ab. Or I can write x is equal to, so if you look here into the original equation, that we got the value of a, if you look here, we got the value of a as ab and we got the value of b as b square minus ac. That's what I'm doing here, just replacing the value of a, b, c, whatever we have here in this particular equation. Or I can write the above equation as x is equal to minus b square plus ac, just opening the bracket, and plus or minus b square plus ac whole square root over is b square plus ac upon 2ab. This is what we got. Now guys, I'm going to rewrite the above equation into two parts. That is, one as x is equal to minus b square plus ac plus b square plus ac upon 2ab, and the other part is x is equal to minus b square plus ac minus b square plus ac upon 2ab. Just you could see from here onwards I have segregated the value of x as one is minus b square plus ac plus b square plus ac upon 2ab, and the other one is x is equal to minus b square plus ac minus b square plus ac. Or I can write x is equal to minus b square plus ac plus b square plus ac upon 2ab, and the other one is x is equal to minus b square plus ac minus b square minus ac upon 2ab. Just I opened the bracket, and wherever is minus after opening the bracket it becomes plus or minus after opening the bracket. Like here it is minus b square, it becomes minus b square, minus into plus ac is plus minus ac. So now I can write the above equation as, or the value of x is, or x is equal to, here it is minus b square and plus b square. It cancels out, and I am left with ac plus ac plus ac upon 2ab, and x is equal to, here it is plus ac minus ac, it cancels out, and I am left with minus b square upon 2ab. Guys, here it is 2ab upon 2ab, or x is equal to 2ac upon 2ab, and the other value will be x is equal to minus 2b square upon 2ab. Or I can write the value of x is, or x is equal to, this 2a cancels out with this 2a, and we are left with only c upon b. And similarly here x is equal to minus 2b square. That means I can write minus 2b square as minus 2b into b upon 2ab. So if you look here, minus 2b into b upon 2ab. So this 2 and 1b cancels out. Here also 2 and b cancels out, and I am left with minus b upon a. So guys, you could see that we are able to find the two values for x. One is x is equal to c upon b, and the other value is x is equal to minus b upon a. Hope guys you understood this calculation, or the process, or the steps that I used in order to derive the two values of x. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.